Thanks for joining us here at Earning with Bits, everyone. Today, we will be doing a quick RollerCoin update. I have reached the withdrawal limit and we are going to withdraw over 250 coins. As you can see, I have about 400 P hashes worth of miners. Okay, let's withdraw by clicking on the tab next to our balance on the top right. Now I'm going to scroll down and select Doge. Next, I will put in my proper token address and select Withdraw. Enter the code they send to your email and confirm the withdrawal. Great, we're done. If you don't know what RollerCoin is, it's a mining simulator where you play games to earn hash power. There's also all sorts of power-ups and bonuses you can earn to boost your mining power. You can also do surveys to earn more roller tokens as well. You use your roller tokens to buy miners in the store. That's all for now. I'm going to get back to playing some games to boost my hashes. Thanks for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe.